The DJI Osmo Pocket has always represented a bold idea, shrinking professional stabilization and high-quality video into a device small enough to disappear into a jacket pocket. Over the years, DJI has steadily refined that concept, improving sensors, software, and usability while staying true to the core promise of effortless, stabilized shooting. Now, with rumors surrounding the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 gaining serious traction, it appears DJI may be preparing to redefine what a pocket camera is capable of once again. If the leaks prove accurate, the Pocket 4 will not simply be an upgrade, but a major technological leap that blurs the line between compact convenience and professional performance. At the center of the conversation is the sensor. The previous generation already surprised many by using a 1-inch sensor, a size rarely seen in devices this small. The Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to take that foundation further with the next-generation 1-inch CMOS sensor, potentially boasting a 50-megapixel resolution. While megapixels alone do not guarantee better image quality, a newer sensor design often brings meaningful improvements in dynamic range, noise handling, and overall clarity. For creators, this translates into footage that holds together better under stress. Scenes with bright skies and dark foregrounds become easier to manage, and low-light environments show more usable detail instead of falling apart into grain and color blotches. This improvement in sensor performance directly impacts post-production flexibility. Modern content creation is no longer just about capturing an image but about shaping it afterward. A sensor with better dynamic range allows editors to recover shadow detail, control highlights, and fine-tune exposure without introducing visible artifacts. For travel vloggers, documentary-style creators, or anyone shooting in unpredictable lighting conditions, this flexibility can be the difference between usable footage and a missed opportunity. It is a quiet upgrade on paper, but one that fundamentally improves the creative experience. Perhaps the most exciting rumored addition, however, is the introduction of a variable aperture. This feature alone could redefine expectations for pocket cameras. Traditionally, compact cameras rely on a fixed aperture, which forces users to make compromises when shooting in bright conditions. To avoid overexposure, shutter speed must be increased, often resulting in unnatural motion that looks sharp and jittery rather than smooth and cinematic. A variable aperture would allow creators to physically control how much light enters the lens, preserving natural motion blur without relying heavily on ND filters. This kind of control is standard in professional cameras and high-end drones, but extremely rare in devices of this size. If DJI successfully implements it, the Osmo Pocket 4 could become one of the most versatile outdoor shooting tools ever made. Video capabilities are expected to see equally dramatic improvements. The most talked about specification is 6K recording. While final delivery formats remain largely centered around 4K, shooting in 6K provides significant advantages behind the scenes. It allows creators to crop, stabilize, and reframe footage while maintaining a sharp 4K output. For solo creators who cannot reshoot every scene, this flexibility is invaluable. A slightly misframed shot or a sudden need for emphasis can be fixed in post without compromising image quality. This makes the Pocket 4 not just a capture device, but a powerful creative safety net. High frame rate recording is another area where the Pocket 4 is rumored to excel. Expectations point toward 4K at 120 frames per second as a standard option, delivering smooth and detailed slow-motion footage. This capability has become essential for modern storytelling, adding emotional weight and visual polish to everyday moments. Even more ambitious are rumors suggesting 4K at 240 frames per second, a specification typically reserved for specialized action cameras. Achieving this in a stabilized, pocket-sized form factor would be a remarkable technical achievement and would dramatically expand the types of content the Pocket 4 can handle, from cinematic B-roll to fast-paced sports and action scenes. Color depth and recording profiles are also expected to receive a professional upgrade. The inclusion of 10-bit color and profiles such as D-Log-M would place the Pocket 4 firmly in a more serious creative category. 10-bit footage captures far more color information than standard formats, allowing smoother gradients, richer tones, and more precise color grading. This is particularly important for creators who work with multiple cameras and need consistent results across different systems. With improved color science and dynamic range, footage from the Pocket 4 could integrate seamlessly into professional workflows, something few compact cameras can claim. The lens system may also see a fundamental evolution. One of the long-standing limitations of pocket cameras has been their reliance on digital zoom. While cropping can work in a pinch, it inevitably reduces image quality. Rumors now suggest that DJI could introduce a dual lens configuration, possibly reserved for a higher-end variant of the Pocket 4. This could include a secondary telephoto lens, offering optical zoom without sacrificing clarity. Such a feature would dramatically expand creative options. Portrait-style shots with compressed backgrounds, detailed close-ups, and more cinematic compositions would suddenly be possible without carrying additional equipment. Being able to switch between a wide lens for vlogging and a tighter lens for storytelling would make the Pocket 4 a far more complete camera system. Stabilization remains the foundation of the Osmo Pocket experience, and DJI is expected to push it further with Active Track 7.0. While previous versions already perform well, the next iteration is rumored to be smarter and more human-like in its movement. Improved subject recognition and depth awareness could allow the camera to track subjects more reliably, even when they move unpredictably or briefly disappear from view. For solo creators, this reliability is crucial. The ability to trust the camera to keep you framed and in focus allows you to concentrate on performance and storytelling rather than technical adjustments. Audio, often overlooked in compact cameras, appears to be getting meaningful attention as well. The Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to feature an upgraded 4-microphone array design to improve directional audio capture and reduce wind noise. This is particularly important for outdoor shooting, where environmental factors can easily ruin audio quality. While external microphones will always provide superior results, having strong internal audio ensures that spontaneous moments can still be captured cleanly, without the need for additional gear. Integration with DJI's broader ecosystem also seems to be a key focus. There is speculation that the Pocket 4 could connect directly with the DJI Mic 2 system, potentially eliminating the need for a separate receiver. This would streamline setups and maintain the Pocket's minimalist philosophy. For creators who value speed and simplicity, this kind of integration can make a significant difference, reducing setup time and lowering the barrier to capturing high-quality content on the go. Battery life, a constant challenge for compact devices, is expected to improve as well. Rumors suggest an increase of around 20% in battery capacity, combined with a more efficient processor. In practical terms, this could translate to over 2 hours of continuous 4K recording. Fast charging support would further enhance usability, allowing creators to quickly top up the battery using a power bank during breaks. For travelers and daily vloggers, this efficiency reduces the need to carry multiple spare batteries or constantly search for power outlets. While official confirmation is still pending, the direction is clear. DJI is aiming high, targeting creators who want professional-level results without sacrificing portability. If these rumors become reality, the Osmo Pocket 4 may not just be an upgrade for existing users, but a compelling alternative to much larger and more complex camera systems. For a generation of creators who value speed, flexibility, and storytelling above all else, the Pocket 4 could mark the beginning of a new era in pocket filmmaking.